Good morning, guys. In front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart from 2020, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. At first, open the settings, then find and select apps over here. So apps and notifications. Click on advanced, mark special app access, and here you will notice install unknown apps. Click to open, choose the app that you wish to give this permission to, and smoothly allow from the source by tapping on the switcher. So that's it, that will be all. So you can smoothly and easily activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.